Good morning, everybody, and happy Monday. If you're here with me in the Discord or in the YouTube chat, go ahead and say what's up. Let's see who's with us this morning. We have Shelly, Mike, Plum Tingle, Cicino, Luna, Skunked Ape, JWA, July Peppers, Banknote, Kenny, U, Delcor, Spastric, Cyrus, Governor, more double RC Space, Darshan, Luna, Fat Guy, Lewis, Mike, Ribs Mod, Tomoki, good morning, Shane G, Mark 13, G Trader, D Best, Crypto Trades, Punisher, Bull Shark, Green, Marvin Daly, Lobos, Full Tilt, Lisa, Paolo, Tick Stack Dose, Scott, Green, TJP, Work It, Dr. Phil, Sully, Blameless, Ray Williams, Cheesehead, Vexo, Von Micros, Jose Cuervo, David, Charlie FX, Osorio, Triple Q's, Sovereign, Buffalo Bill, Chan, Victor Chad, XR Pizza, Ward SWG Lines, Kelvin Ferrari, Phil, Luke. What's happening? All right, so I have a question. I don't know the answer to it. I just got TPT accounts. This is the second batch of TPT accounts. But the market data is delayed. Anybody know how to fix that? It's the second set, so I've already agreed to the market data agreement. I can't figure this out. I don't know how to do it. I don't know how to not have delayed data. And I bought these like 12 hours ago. So sign out and sign back in. Submit a ticket. Well, this seems like a nightmare. Should be an easy way to do this, right? Delayed by how much? Yeah, it's Tradeify. I already signed all the forms. This is my second batch. So I signed in and I didn't get presented with any new forms. So pay more. Nah, I'm good on that. Close Tradeify and sign back in works for me. They're tests. These are the test accounts. 50K test accounts. So I don't know. I don't know what's going on. Kind of annoying. Nobody has this issue. I guess it's just me. Weird. Well, that's strange. Let me try to refresh the page or something. I thought for sure I was gonna come on here and everybody's gonna be like, oh yeah, it's easy. You just go blah 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 and then it's all good. Let's try reloading the Tradeify browser. Nope, that didn't do it. Let's try signing out. I don't even know how to sign out of this stupid thing. Oh, there we go. Log out. Okay. Log back in. Okay. Nope. Still delayed. No, they're not pending. They say active on their site. So. Sign out, sign in. Yeah, I just did that one. Yeah, it's weird. They all say active on the dashboard thing here. That's what's weird. Yeah, they all say active. So, subscription status active. I don't know. Weird, huh? They have to fix on their end? Okay. I'm gonna submit a ticket. Well, we'll be able to trade everything else but them. If delayed, you should have a good feel for where the market is going to go before entry. I mean, can I just long these test accounts right now? That'd be funny. Yeah, markets are pretty thin. The liquidity is kind of sparse right now. We don't really have any. We don't really have any much news that's coming out this morning. 9:45 is the first piece of U.S. news that's coming out, so it's going to be pretty boring until then. So we will have to see what happens here. We still have our Tradeify accounts to trade. Got a fresh set of 20 Apex over here to trade. Can do anything today. So we'll have to see if there's anything worth trading here. Just kind of bouncing in between this range. Monday's low and previous day mid 4-hour open. So everything else is working fine. Like Apex, Tradeify data is fine. Tradeify is fine. Oh, I want to make sure that that is only 5 contracts. There we go. Yeah, I tried logging out, logging back in, didn't do anything. Did you go to Italy? What's up with the music? Yes, this is authentic Italian music right here. This is what they play when you sit down in an Italian restaurant. You nailed it. Spot on. How much percentage is your code for Bookmap? 69%, I think? I'm not sure. I think it's just code rips will get you whatever. Not really sure what it is. Yeah, whenever I sit down in an Italian restaurant, I say, yeah, give me the paella, your best Italian paella, por favor. You know, the most famous Italian dish. Wait, that's Spanish? No way. Is it really? Wow. Oh, you're gonna teach me and Tommy FPV a couple things, I suppose. All right. I guess sarcasm is just like, we gotta keep our jokes way lower, I guess. Bias from Spain. No f***ing is it really? Wow. Is sarcasm like only an American thing? I'm so confused. Who loves NVIDIA drivers? I do. I love me some amazing NVIDIA drivers. All right, so since everybody, we have to walk through the jokes now. Ready? So, Spanish music is playing. Tommy FPV says, hey, did you go to Italy? which I thought was funny because this is clearly not Italian music. And I said, yes, this is the exact music they play when you sit down in an Italian restaurant. And I said, when I sit down in an Italian restaurant, I order paella, thus completing the circle of the joke. Are we all on the same page now? This is what we're going to do. So every single time we make a joke, we're going to do a full breakdown of that joke. We're going to do a video review of that joke so that everybody can be connected on the same page. Because apparently, you can't just do simple sarcasm anymore. We'll do joke recaps in here now. Good Lord. I say that and people are like, that's a Spanish dish. Good morning. Happy Monday. Oh my God, it's back. Just when you thought it would leave. This is, again, very classic Italian song. That was a joke, by the way. That was a joke. That's sarcasm, me saying that. I don't actually mean that this is an Italian song because it's of Spanish origin. I'm making fun, again, of the original. It's a callback. You call that in comedy. That's a callback to the original joke. So we can just start doing it like this from now on. I feel like we haven't earned this song yet. No. We haven't earned that song yet. I'm sorry. We haven't earned that song. We haven't taken any trades yet. We haven't earned that song. We got to do better. Speaking of callbacks, my mom is still waiting for a callback from you. Well, she's not going to get that. Hold on 1 second. Play it backwards sounds like hip hop. Have to open a ticket against them. Same thing happened to me. They'll uncheck something in your account, back and stuff. Okay. Let me see where they're at on this because I just reached out support. Let's see. Did I get a human yet? It says an agent will be with you shortly. An agent will be with you shortly. 2 weeks later. You are first up in the queue. It says I'm up next too. I think they're just trolling me. An agent will be with you shortly. You're up next. Ooh, me? It is Cinco de Mayo today, so happy Cinco de Mayo to everybody out there who celebrates. You are next with no agents working, yes. I can't wait. Stop, dude. X this weekend was lovely. I now found out why they put warning labels on hair dryers and toasters. That was like eye-opening for me this weekend. It's amazing. It's your birthday? Happy birthday, BJ Martin. Happy birthday to you, buddy. It's the best way to check to see if your data is delayed. There's a, so I can show that to you. Let me see if I can. Let's see here. I go into Tradeify. You can't really see it because the screen is cropped. Let me see if I can. Did that do it? Okay, you see that? Top left corner. See how there's a green circle right here? Oh, I want to do that. See that green circle? That means that it's live data. If I go over into TPT, see, it's delayed. Data is delayed. Top left corner. So that's my TPT. That's my Tradeify. That's my Apex. So they are, Apex and Tradeify are good to go, but my TPT is delayed. So there you go. There we go. I think green is real time, right? Oh yeah, I mean the text, yeah, I see what you're saying. The text being yellow versus white. Titanium white. Oh yeah, I'm sorry. You're right. You're right. The green is my tabs being synced. You're right. You're right. I always have them as green. It's a lucky color. You're right. You're right. You're right. Keep refreshing. All right. Let's see. I'm just gonna keep refreshing a couple times. Have I looked at gold? We can check it out in a second. Yeah, refreshing ain't doing the trick for me. Oh well. That's all right. We don't have to trade on TPT today anyway. Go! Wow. Oh my God. Dude. I want to go back in time. Just buy gold at 1800. Just sit on it. It's gonna double? Dude. Gold going to 3600. That's insane. Anybody riding this gold move? It's kind of wild. We're back to that Wednesday level. I'd love to see this thing at 3600. It'd be crazy. Just trade a bit on that, but nothing excessive. It's really not a good sign. Yeah, it's not that great, is it? There's going to be a lot of larger players that are just going to wait for FOMC. And it's not about whether or not we're cutting. I mean, it is. We aren't going to cut. But it's more so, I mean, we could. Don't get me wrong. There's a world, there's a universe that exists that we do actually cut. But it ain't this one. But most market participants are going to be waiting to see what Jerome Powell has to say about the path forward. So that's what a lot of larger players are looking for. Now we can get a lot of what we've had in the past, which is just more so of the same nonsense. Basically him sitting there and saying, we're committed to our dual mandate. The path forward is uncertain. We want inflation to come down, blah, 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 blah. He could say that, right? Or he says something new that gives people a reason to buy heavily or sell heavily. So we'll have to see what happens. That's going to be on Wednesday. Debating on whether or not on Wednesday I want to do a special FOMC live stream during FOMC. Thing is that I don't want to get caught trading it. Because if I park myself in front of my screens, I'm probably going to trade it. I don't want to trade it. I want to trade the afterglow. Let me see, what's my schedule on Wednesday? Yeah, I really don't have much going on Wednesday. Thought I had some calls, but we'll see. We'll see. I'm guessing that there's going to be nothing new that comes from that. Let me see what the Fed Fund features are saying. Right now, I believe it's like 98% chance of... Oh, yeah, I was right. 98.2% chance. Wow. And then we're looking at likely a cut by July. So we have this meeting this week, then June, then July, then September. September, by the way, looking kind of good for Trader Meetup. I'll keep you folks posted on that as I get more information. But that should be fun. That should be cool. Thados says, my heart is so broken. Today, I was due for my payout and my prop firm funded next pay me, but deactivated all my accounts because they say I'm using a VPN and an AI robot for my trades. I never used any. I don't know. I've never traded with them before, so I don't know. It's like you paid someone to write a speech and don't want to pay again, so he just modifies a few sentences. Yeah, I mean, that's what it feels like, right? A lot of market participants have been waiting for that to change. It can always be that next meeting that it changes. It'd be sick if we got that curveball. We get a whole mess of volatility. Do you think the market has bottomed yet? All-time highs next. Well, it depends. It's really dependent on what happens in this next FOMC meeting. We're back. Yeah, this is that Gandalf line. Remember this? Right here, Gandalf line. We're almost back up. But it's just a bummer right now that there's not much to trade. We're just chopping around this range right here. Tradeify allows users to modify or remove the daily loss limit after being activated. I'm not sure. I'm not really sure about the risk management controls in Tradeify, but I think there are some. Let me see. Preferences, maybe. Hotkeys, confirmations, data. Hey Rips, it's been a couple weeks since I sent you a DM on Insta without a reply. I mean, I have a lot of DMs. What was it about? We can tell me right here. We can go over it live on air. Can change your risk parameters under accounts. Yeah, I never use any of these functions. Ah, risk settings. Look at that. Liquidation policy. Wow. Look at all this. Could do all sorts of fun stuff. Daily loss limit, weekly loss limit, daily profit trigger, weekly profit trigger. That is amazing. Could do all this stuff. Hey Ropes, what is the indicator that you use in Tradeify for your levels? This one? Good old Spaceman BTC key level. It's a heavy hitter. It's the best one. Do you watch playoff hockey? Who won between the Blues and the... who are they playing? Not the Oilers. The Blues and the Maple Leafs? No. Edmonton? No. Who were the Blues playing? The Jets? Winnipeg? Wait, hold on. Were they? They played Winnipeg? Wait, hold on. What? Wait, that's blowing my mind right now. I didn't think they were playing Winnipeg. Dude, the Jets won? Wow. Oh, no. That sucks. Well, no, I don't want to play favorites. We do have a playoff game coming here on Tuesday. Wednesday, I think, is the next one here. They already sold out of all of the ghost section, which is annoying. Like, I got the email, they put up tickets, and I got the email like 2 hours after they sent it out, and I was like, oh. Dang, 4-3? What, in overtime? Dang, Stars and Jets, that's gonna be sick. That's gonna be dope. Double OT, sick. Yeah, I was sleeping, but I think I was sleeping. That was amazing though when it was like 2-3 and they scored that goal like to tie it up. That was insane with like 1.3 seconds left. That was insane. Playoff hockey is the best. Hockey's a great sport. Amazing. I got to see the double OT though. Were there any good fights? I don't know why. I thought they were playing somebody else. I know Winnipeg is insane, but I just thought they were playing somebody else for some reason. In my mind's eye, I saw like a different team logo. It was really weird. I love any sport where you get a timeout for fighting. They need to bring that to other sports, like basketball. Could you imagine? Fights in basketball would be so dope. Just call it a street ball. That'd be sick. Oh God, we didn't earn this song. It keeps creeping up on me. We didn't earn that yet. We have to take a trade first. Draymond Green would love it. Wait, who was the brawl at the God, dude, my brain's broken this morning. The brawl at the castle or whatever it was. The brawl, what is it? Brawl at the Palace. There you go. Thank you. The good old brawl at the Palace. Malice at the Palace. That's what it was. Malice at the Palace. Dude, Ron Artest. Who else was in that thing? Ron Artest was going crazy. That was insane. The announcers were so funny during that. That cracked me up. Dude, that was insane. Jermaine O'Neal. It was so insane, dude. That was like one of the craziest moments in sports. Has anything ever topped that, by the way? Yeah, Meta World Peace. That's right. I forgot about that. Ron Arteezy. I don't think anything's ever topped that, right? How funny is that? It's not really funny, but I mean, that kind of stuff cracks me up now. I guess it shouldn't. Maybe that's a bad take, but those fans didn't know they were going to be part of that game that night, did they? My friend is the one who punched the Oldman? Who's Oldman? That was crazy, dude. I think he's brawled with Boss and Don Zimmerman thrown on the floor. Yeah, I mean, that was cool. Malice at the Palace was like legendary. It was so crazy. They just they go into the stands. Can we watch a clip of that? It's like insane. I'm laughing not because it's just like pure insanity. I can just see this Malice. Oh man. Oh man, good times. They just go into the stands and start racking on people. It's so bad. Hold on, I gotta pause the music here. Ben Wallace, that's right. Wallace the legend. This is just insane. Steven Jackson, of course, not to be confused with his brother Percy. Yeah, it like heats up a little bit, right? They don't go into the stands yet. Oh wait, yeah, they do. They do right after this.
Did an excellent job trying to keep everybody away and trying to keep the peace. After our test with a hard foul on Wallace after he got behind him. And then Ben Wallace came over with the shove.
Yeah, this is like they just charged the stands. What was it? Like somebody threw a drink or something. What kicked off the party? I think somebody throws a drink and then that's where it just goes off. Beautiful high def, I know. Best of the best right here. Here it comes. Somebody throws a drink or something.
He'd have to walk past the pacer bench to go. Now Artest is
yeah.
Artest is in the stands. This is awful. Fans are getting involved. Steven Jackson's
Artest is in the stands. I can't imagine not being from America and then watching this and being like, what is wrong with you people? You Americans are crazy.
All the players now, they're jumping in there to try
the announcers, dude. The players are jumping in there.
Oh, what a sad scene here at the Palace. And now another fight.
Round two.
It's a fan on the court. Very, very dangerous.
This is dangerous. Ah, good times. It's scary. I mean, I tell you, I probably would not be too happy to be there.
You wonder if the official's going to let this game continue. Now they're throwing bottles out onto the floor.
Anyway, good times. Malice at the Palace right there. Good times. I don't think there's been anything close to that since. I don't think there's been anything close to that since. Typical day in Detroit. Who here is from D-Town? Detroit? Who's repping Detroit? Yeah, dude, this market's doing nothing still. This is just like, oh, this is crap. Now we have players like LeChina. Is that his nickname, LeChina? I haven't heard that one. LeChina. Dude, that flop was so bad against, I don't even know who it was. He like barely bumped into him and then just hits the deck. It's so bad. I can't believe there's so much flopping in basketball now. Pick that up from across the pond. Boston versus Rangers game where the Bruins enter the stands, fight with the fans. I feel like I've seen that before. That had to be on like a Sports Center highlight back in the day. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I've seen that. Fans fell into the penalty box. Oh my gosh. That's insane. Can you imagine someone flopping like that in hockey? I mean, that'd be ridiculous. I gotta see when that VGK game is. Let's see. I think it's Tuesday. Yeah, tomorrow at 6:30. But like tickets, hold on. I want to see. They're probably all scalped already. I wonder how expensive tickets are, like decent tickets. Let's see. Tomorrow at 6:30. That's actually not that late. Whoa, they're not that expensive. Hold on. That's sick. It's not that bad at all. 2 tickets to Paradise? Let's see. How much is that with fees? Why don't they have like the final price with the fees? Let's see. $1,400 for 2 tickets. That's not bad. Hey, Ribs tuned in when the NBA clip was on. I was like, am I on the right channel? Wish you a fantastic trading day. Love from Stockholm. Thanks, Leo. What's going on, Big Dirt? I don't know. What's going on with you? It's going to be a good game because best player in the league is not injured anymore, right? I'm pretty sure. Isn't that accurate? Isn't he back on the ice? Dude who just floats across the ice. I mean, $1,400 for 2 tickets to the playoff game. Really good seats too. I mean, you can get them cheaper. If you've never been to a Vegas Golden Knights game, you're missing out too. If you ever come to Vegas and they're playing hockey, gotta come to one of the games. What happened to the markets today? Dude, I mean, you tell me, nothing. McDavid's been injured. What are you talking about? He's been out. He was injured. He didn't play like 2 weeks ago. Has he? No. Hold on. McDavid didn't play. Hold on. Oh, the playoffs. Yeah, the playoffs. Yeah, before the playoffs, though. Pre-playoffs. Yeah, we got 20 minutes till the top of the hour until we get it going. Rip's been reading through the Apex PA account rules, and I'm confused about one thing. When What do you do when you get to the 155 and 100 on the 150K PA account? You can take payout. Yeah, no, I know. Yeah, I know. They're resting. I get it. I understand. How's the Vegas Raiders Stadium? It's huge. Went to Post Malone this weekend. It's massive. 75,000 people there. Wait, is it a bank holiday in London today? Is it actually? Mayday, gotcha. Yeah, so when you get to 155,000, take a payout. If you have 8 trading days, I think a couple of those can be flip days. So, only 51 likes. I don't know. Let's see. I think it's more than that. We're at 200 likes. If we get the likes up, we'll do a poll. Since there's really not that much market to trade right now, it's crap. Market has moved like 10 points in the last 5 minutes, 20 points in the last half hour, 45 minutes. Not great at all. Foxtrot says, your rips proved for first Apex payout today. Nice work. That's awesome. I've been hearing a lot of people crushing Apex accounts. A lot of people doing well with those things. We, of course, if you missed it on Friday, we were on day 3 of our PAs, and we lost them. Took a horrible trade. But we did get some amazing engagement bait for Twitter, X, whatever you want to call it, which we posted. Everybody, like, I was actually shocked that it did get as much engagement as it did. Let me see. I gotta pull this up, actually. It's kind of insane. I was shocked. I thought it was going to get engagement, but not as much as it did. Wait, how far back do I have to go? Jeez. I've been posting up a Twitter storm over here. Okay, here it was. This post did numbers, dude. I couldn't believe it. Check this out. Look at this thing. 195,000. 932 likes. 135 bookmarks. I love the bookmarks. Remember, we wrote this together. Actually considering taking a very long break from trading. I've not been able to figure out this market for months now. Which, by the way, this is the funniest thing. Because people are just like, 90% of the people that were engaging with this post were like, you're the worst trader I've ever seen. It's pretty funny. But you go to my account, and the pinned post is like that. This post. 37,000 views. 328 likes. 41 bookmarks. And then the other funny thing about this is like, oh, I'm like taking a break. Posted that at 6:45. Well, this is my time. This is Vegas time. 6:45 on May 2nd, right? I post that, and then like, where is it? Right here. At an hour later, I put, okay, that was a good break from the markets. And I post like, that I made 13,000 real dollars. 30,000 views. So it stands at like, people love to see day 3 prop accounts that are not even payout eligible. Net cost of these accounts, by the way, I think is like $2,000. I think $2,000 is what the cost was for these accounts. $2,000. You make $13,000. Nobody cares. But you lose $2,000 in accounts that are not even payout eligible. The whole world goes crazy. It's amazing. Crack the code, baby. Crack the code. It's crazy. It's nuts. Nobody cares about this. You make real money. Nobody cares. Nobody cares. Look at this. The spike in engagement. It's insane. Do this. Nobody cares. No red days for 2 months straight. Where's the thing? Make $324,000 in a month. Nobody cares. Nobody cares. Did you see that he lost $2,000 in Apex fees? Did you see that? Did you see him? He lost $2,000 in Apex fees. It's crazy. I can't imagine why there's so many people struggling out there. It's a mystery. It's a mystery. It's a mystery to me. It's amazing though. I love it. It gave me a lot of engagement. I'm curious to see what Elon's going to be paying out for this engagement. Posted on X, if people want to see you fail and they are not concerned about your wins, it's all very interesting to see the social experiment. Yeah. By the way, I didn't intentionally blow these accounts, mind you. I just took a really bad trade. Too stubborn to take the thing down. I was just trying to get a quick trade. I ended up buying the top. It's not like I did it. This is not like I woke up, I had a master plan. I'm going to blow my PA accounts. No, I want to get paid out in those things. Don't get me wrong. I'm trying. This is me trying. But take a bad trade and don't take it off. Get stubborn with it. That's what happens. Oh, and then the YouTube comments on that video were great too. I don't know if the mod removed them, but like the comments on the video were like, "This guy sucks." And it was like funny because it's like green trade in Tradeify, like got a green trade in Tradeify, had that Apex trade, and then I went on to make $13,000 in one trade. And they're like, "Ah, this guy stinks." It's crazy. 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 Day 3, Apex PAs. It's a big deal. Have your TBT accounts passed evals yet? I did last week, but then we lost them because of the trailing drawdown. Probably saying that because they copied their trades and lost. I mean, it'd be pretty dope. I mean, you got to copy only the Apex trades, I guess. I don't know. Should be copying my trades in the first place. See? Nope. Not a professional. Entertainment, baby. Shouldn't be copying me. That's crazy town. It's nuts. Mad props for being transparent on that loss is difficult privately. I mean, to be honest with you, if that was really like the only thing that I had, I'd probably be pretty bummed about it. But it's not. Obviously, you know, I do a morning show. I'm trying to be profitable on all my trades. It's very difficult. Been doing a pretty good job at it. I've won almost every single trade that I've shown on this stream for like 2 months straight. And that's like improp accounts. Tradeify, I mean, like our Tradeify stats are incredible, right? We've been doing really, really well. You can log into Tradeify here. So here's Tradeify. We've had, since we started these accounts, we've had one single red day on Tradeify. That was it. That was our one red day. So, I mean, and we've traded every single trade of this on stream. I wait to trade this thing on stream. So there's March, April, May. So, I mean, we've been trading that on stream. Every single day we've had green days. I mean, pretty much every single trade we've taken on stream has been green. Pretty much every single one. So, I mean, like, oh, like, are you super upset? What did the person say? It was like, that loss is difficult privately. I mean, I'm just being real with you. Not really, no. Not really. It is what it is. again, I want to make money on those PA accounts. I want to get $1 million payout from Apex, multi-million-dollar payout from Apex. And that slows the progress on that, but is it really that difficult? Not really. No. Is what it is, you know? What happened with that one red day? I know. Dude, it's funny. The same thing happened when I had that red day. This is when I blew the last set of Apex PAs. So this is going to be my third try with Apex PAs. This is going to be my third try. Here was for September. What mid-level hotel do you recommend for Vegas? I've never been before. Mid-level. What's your budget per night? What's your hotel budget per night? Your mid-level might be different than what I think is mid-level. Might finally hop on the Apex wave. Just can't deal with Tradeify, man. I love Tradeify. I love trading on Tradeify. It's nice. It's nice. $30 a night at Circus Circus. I can't believe that hotel is still around. Excalibur, high level, low cost. Dude, Excalibur, I mean, I don't think you want to stay there. Don't want to go over 350 a night. That opens up a lot of doors actually here in Vegas. 350 a night will get you a lot. I think, unless I'm crazy. I feel like 350 will get you a good, like, you just have to book it in advance and like tell them that you're going to play table games. Do you only trade funded capital? What does that mean? Like, do I not trade my own money? I trade my own money. Where's the thing? Dang it. I forgot we restarted the stream. I don't know if you're asking me if I trade my my own capital. Is that what you mean? We already took out the initial 100K that we put in, and this is missing 15K. So we're up since January 21st. What does this mean? 66, 15, $641,000 since January 21st is what we're up. I know it's not that great, and we could do better, I'm sure. And I agree with you, like, this is not that big of an account. It is only $641,000, so we'll get it up though. We'll get it up to $1 million pretty soon. I'm probably underperforming most streamers, to be honest with you. Like, most other streamers are probably crushing that. But yeah. What's a typical losing trade like for your on? What's a typical losing trade like for your on your personal? It was $18,000, however long ago that was. We are pushing back up here. 80s back up to 05s. Interesting. I just want 9 a.m. to come so we have some liquidity turning on here. Rivers, do you think the lack of rules on personal makes it easier for your trading style compared to props? No, because look at Tradeify. Look at what's on the screen right now. Tradeify, I know exactly what I'm supposed to do each day, so I do it. If you give me a little bit of like wiggle room, Apex, like I don't really have like a daily profit goal that I'm searching for. I was just trying to get out of that buffer. Took a bad trade, you know, that kind of thing. Tradeify, I have to make a finite amount each day, and it's betwixt. Shit, I don't even know now. Is it 450 to 900? I think, yeah, that's my goal right now. 450 to 900 per account. So, find a decent trade journal for your personal. There's a couple of them, but I haven't committed to any of them. I also don't want to be sharing data with a random person. Do you know what I mean? Like, I kind of think I have some edge in my personal. I don't want anybody scalping or stealing that edge from me in a little bit of a way. I don't think there's any like offline journal. It's all going to be shared with whoever that company is. They're going to know it's me. That's the thing. I don't really want anybody stealing my edge. As weird as that sounds, you know? That's how I feel about it. Just, you know? If you're trailing drawdown on a prop, does it act like just a warning or what? If you have a floating P&L that taps, do you still fail the count? If it goes below it, it usually fails you, but sometimes you can tap below it and come right out of it and you'll be fine. Can you ask Brett to do to allow resets on funded accounts? Sure, I'm gonna ask him right now. Here, I'm gonna copy your question. I'm gonna send it to him right now. How about that? Boom, sent. Just send it to him right now. If I do the $85 monthly PA option, blow the account, do they still charge me $85 every month or does it go away? If you blew the account, it's gone. You don't get, like, if the account's dead, it's dead, you know? How do you approach or deal with potential sponsorships? Any tips? I mean, I get a bunch every single week. I have 5 to 10 people that are reaching out to me, minimum 5 to 10 people that are reaching out to do sponsorships or sponsor deals. There's a couple of them this week that I'm excited about. So I'll let you know how those goes. But I mean, just pick something that aligns with your brand. Don't take any sponsorship that doesn't align with your brand, I guess. And we are 2 minutes now, 2 minutes from the top of the hour. Apex told me I need to cancel each blown account. I bought a bunch of 90 to 80% off and blew them. Well, those are going to rebuild because those are evaluation accounts. They're asking about the PA accounts. The PA accounts, when you blow them, they don't reset. It would be great if they did. That'd be epic if they did. Look at this. This is a crap price action here. Nothing happening. Let's see what happens here at the top of the hour. We got 90 seconds to the top of the hour. If nothing happens, then nothing happens, you know. Oh. Anyone in here ever have Apex PAs just disappear? Had 2 in good standing just disappear from my list last week. Haven't heard back from support yet. I've never heard of that, no. Hi, new here. May I ask what pair you trade? We don't trade. This is not FX. We're trading futures, NASDAQ futures, or S&P futures. Index futures is what I focus on. Hey, Richard Harris. What's up, buddy? That's a name I haven't seen in a minute. You're in good company, Rips. All YouTube traders have 99.9% win rate. Yeah, until you ask them to show a broker statement, then it's like, ah. I can say with complete confidence that I don't think there's any other YouTube streamer out there that's doing what I'm doing, showing broker statements. Carmine Rosado is the only one that I've seen doing it. I haven't really seen anybody else doing it. Not again. Did we lose the stream on YouTube? Are we still on YouTube or are we still live? Are we frozen? Okay. I'm so sick of these NVIDIA drivers. They suck so bad. Ah, so annoying. Hold on. I gotta restart. Hold on. I'll be right back. I'll be right back. Don't go anywhere. I'll be right back. All right, we're back. One day we're gonna have NVIDIA problems, just not be problems. Be so amazing. One day. One day we're gonna wake up and like NVIDIA's not gonna have a single issue. Crazy. Updated the drivers again last week. I keep having optimism like we're gonna have it fixed. But I swear, I'm just gonna put my 4090 back in. It's just so stupid. So annoying. All right, give me a second. I'll be right back. I'm actually going somewhere, but I'll be right back with you. All right, we are back. Glenn G-A-S-A, Glenn Gaza says, Ribs, can you ask Brett to allow resets on funded accounts? He responded, he said, on straight to funded, there's no real point of a reset, but on growth advance, maybe we'll add them, but at that point, probably just buy it straight to funded. That's straight from Brett's mouth. There you go. Wait, take profit already responded. They said just reset or refresh. Should be good now. Let's see. Ah, and it works. Good life being a streamer, huh? My 2 weeks is different than yours. It's funny. Sorry. I think it's funny. Anyway. All right. Do we have anything to trade yet? Can you please tell me how to manage to go above trading threshold with Apex PA accounts? Dude, you're asking the wrong person. I don't know how to. I blew my PAs. You're asking the wrong dude. If you want to know how to blow them on day 3, go watch my video on Friday. I show you exactly how I did it. Amazing, right? Ole. Is Twitter still working? Wait. Is my Twitter not live anymore? Uh-oh. Hold on. Uh-oh. Well, that's not good. Hold on one second. Good golly. I gotta delete that now. Dee-dee-dee-dee-ding. I mean, it's gonna be short-lived, so kind of annoying. We are live for Monday. Boop. I was like, why is Twitter chat just so slow right now? Cool. We're back. All right, we're back on Twitter. Amazing. Is this music being played in Spanish or Italian? Yeah. Ribs, please announce to the team May-June challenge. MC, we are back in business with the discipline challenge for May and June. Clear rules and goals. There we go. So anybody in MC right now, we have the May-June challenge going on. Got 500 left in my max drawdown. Ribs, help me get out of this. G, let's get drawdown up. I mean, don't follow any trades that I take in here. That's not a good idea. Yeah, this is crap price action still. I'm probably gonna have to wait for the open. It's gonna be difficult. This is FOMC week. Oh, this is a little funky mix right here. It was a great stream Friday, actually. Awesome seeing you break down why you lost. You explained it, owned it, tons more trading value than that. I think so. And then the follow-up trade was nice too. Like, I mean, we traded on Tradeify. We won that trade. We traded on Apex. We traded like an idiot, lost those accounts, and then we made $13,000 in real money. I feel like it was a good stream, but I'm biased, of course. You know? This music reminds me of the time I was having sushi at a Japanese restaurant with Tommy. It's the exact same thing that I remember too. Yeah, we have news at 9:45 and 10. Those are the two pieces of news that are going to dictate the price action today. If we have people sticking around for the stream, I will continue to stream, I suppose. Can't guarantee that I'm going to take any trades. If we get the likes up, I'll do a poll. Tell you what. Get the likes up, I'll do a poll. SW says he's going to do a stream once a week to help out, maybe like a therapy session on Friday. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Rips, do you know a way to combine your Tradeify and your Apex accounts in one Tradeify tab and trade all simultaneously? You have to use something called Trade Syncer, is I think the only thing that works in this industry, Trade Syncer. But I've also heard people complaining about it. I've never used it, so I can't endorse it. I have no idea, but that's just speaking what I've heard. No idea if it works, if it doesn't work, but that's one option that I know that is out there that is accessible from people. Yeah, there's a monthly fee. I know that. What's the poll? If we get to 500 likes, we will do a poll. We're at 381 right now. Gotta get more. Price action sucks. Good trade from 80 up to 22 if you caught it, but good luck. Wonder if the new 100% tariff will hurt Netflix and others. I work in film in Vancouver. The news is absolutely devastating. People don't realize how much we film up here in shows in the US. Yeah, Canada has been that way for a while. We film a lot of shows in Canada. Puerto Rico, they're filming a lot of stuff in Vegas now, but yeah, Canada has been they film so much stuff in Toronto and Vancouver. A lot of American television, because like New York and Toronto are like on top of each other. But yeah, like there's a lot of stuff filmed in Canada that people don't realize. Last of Us is filmed up here. Is it on the left coast or on the east coast? Is it Vancouver or is it Toronto? Lock the channels. I think type in the thread. I mean, let me see. Let me see. View channel. Oh, yeah, I can do that. Boom. There we go. Cool. Done. If that doesn't work, let me know, SW. I thought it was going to be way more difficult. Blame California. Actors don't want to work there, and the studios are making stuff overseas due to the cost of doing business there. Yeah, I love California. Happily. Is that a 203 contract bid at 20,000? Oh my goodness. From the movie industry in Montreal, and it's dead for the last 3 years. I feel like Toronto and Vancouver have always been bigger than Montreal. I feel. Maybe I'm wrong. I feel like Toronto's the biggest one, right? In Canada? Isn't it? Pretty sure Toronto's the biggest one. Yeah. Are you serious? There you go. Didn't give me the pop I was looking for. Come on. They film Suits in Toronto. They have a new version of that show. At least I saw a promo for it. I forget what it's called. That 200 contract order got pulled, by the way. It was at $19,999. It worked? Okay, cool. Sweet. What is Monday high-low on your chart? Last Monday, why not Friday? I don't know. I use this. I'm retarded, so I just use stuff like this. I don't really pay attention to it, man. I've never seen Suits before. I've never seen that show. People have told me to watch it. I've never seen it. I know. Only Bentley giveaways today. I was thinking about doing that. Oh yeah, actually, if we get to 6,000 likes, I do a Bentley giveaway. I just give away my Bentley. 6,000 likes. Just give it to whoever wants it. What was the program you just showed? You've been in here for a while, Michael. Come on. This is Spaceman BTC key level indicator on TradingView. You've been in here for long enough. You should know this by now. Am I playing Table 1 this weekend? Probably not. Why? What's happening this weekend? I haven't played poker in like 2 weeks, 3 weeks. It's been a while. Went out, we did the Post Malone concert with the people who run the Bellagio game. Went out with all the wives. It was great. Thought it was a joke? No, it ain't a joke. It's what draws all these levels on my chart, so I don't have to. I would never have the patience to draw these out manually. Every single day? Ugh. Horrible. Doing a poker live stream? Maybe. The only live stream out here is the Venetian live stream, and the chips are just... I don't like the chips. I can't look across the table and tell how much somebody has, and for me, that's kind of like a big part of it. And there are 3 different sizes. They need to fix that. If I can get over that mental blockade of that, I can play it, but it's also like, I want it to be a good lineup, you know? I want it to be like a really good lineup. Mostly listen, not watch the video. That makes sense. Just got a random deposit of $130 from Apex to stub all my PI accounts, so it wasn't a refund from those. Strange. Are you sure it was a deposit? Not withdrawal? Last of Us was a $250 million show in Calgary, season 2 to $300 million in Vancouver. Most money I've ever made in film, but also 80-hour work weeks. That's why I wanted to learn to trade instead. That's cool. You work on film. What do? You grip or PA? What's your role? Who's your ideal game to play against? A bunch of people that have too much money and no skill. Lighting program. That's cool. That's awesome. Play online poker just in casinos. I used to play a lot of online poker. I don't play much online poker at all anymore, but that might change. Ribs, where did you learn to trade with Bookmap? It's all self-taught, but they have a great YouTube channel where you can check it out. But I'm all self-taught from Bookmap, so I don't know. Everybody's mileage may vary. This is just choppy and gross. There's nothing for me to trade yet. I'm just trying to be patient. WSOP Gold sponsorship coming. Have to get in on all the money they have to be paying these big influencers. WPT Gold is what you're thinking of. Maybe that's coming. Just never know, huh? Market waited for ISM. Yeah, I think ISM was probably what's going to move the market. It's also on the eve of FOMC on Wednesday, so 2 days out from FOMC. Bank holiday today, overseas. If someone took away your Bookmap, would you still be successful now? I started without it. It would be annoying. I could do it, but it wouldn't be fun. It'd be annoying. I'd have to go back and do my old way of doing things, which is just using old time and sales, sometimes footprint charts, and really like staring at things. It's not as fun. I love Bookmap, so. You still trade on Top Step or join the lives? I haven't in a long time. Do this here, right here, this channel though. Do whatever we want in here. Does one have to be a member of Clubhouse in order to participate daily? No, free streams, baby. Yeah, the heat map, my whole Bookmap is very customized to my liking. It's carried its settings over from many variations of it, or iterations of it, I should say. So I've been using Bookmap for years now. Years. Used to use it in equities, actually. It was originally built for futures, and then they opened it up to equities. It was awesome. They had Arcabook in there. After some time, I was complaining to them for a while. They finally got Arcabook in there. I think it was Arcabook. I don't want to say Arca, because they had everything but Arca, is what I remember. How many monitors? Don't tell me you haven't seen the picture. Come on. You've seen the picture. All right, I guess this is the post where I do the thing on Instagram where I post the picture I always post. All right, well, if you go on Instagram right now and you check my Instagram story, you will see my setup. There you go. Have to go on my Instagram though. Wait for it. It's uploading. And there, posted. It's on my Instagram story. Do you limit the minimum order size to show up on the heat map? No. I see everything. Same thing with time and sales. A lot of people will filter time and sales. I do not filter time and sales. It's crazy. You miss so much. You know how many orders get split up into ones and twos? Like big orders will get split up into ones and twos and you're going to miss that? Crazy. Crazy town. Jesus Christ, that's a lot of screen. I need it all. I use every single square inch of it. There's a lot of people out there that don't need the real estate. I actually could use more. I'm not even kidding. I'm not trolling. I could use more, but I had two 57-inch ultra wides, but then I can't fit my camera. So the top one's 49-inch. What's your mindset to not let losses affect your trading structure? Do it for long enough where they don't matter as much. Kind of best advice, I think. I want to see something here. Let's see. Dude, I could get cheaper tickets for Thursday's game. I don't want to do this. Go to the Thursday playoff game. 6:30. Be a little bit of a sleepy Friday game or Friday stream though. It's the only thing is like waking up for streaming is kind of kills it during the week. Market is quiet. It is indeed, M. Thompson. It is extremely quiet. Crazy how quiet it is. Have you done a tour of your entire office yet? It looks awesome just from your background. I haven't. Working on doing vlogs here soon. Gonna be doing some extensive stuff with that, so stay tuned for that. Do you use NQBMD on Bookmap or TM Lite? I don't think I use either one. Oilers all the way? No way, dude. You need VGK all the way. New brand launching this month? We'll see. It's been a lot of back and forth with that. So we'll see. Oh. You only need to care about the large entries because those are often exits or hedges of already bought positions. There's no way to tell what institutions are doing when they're buying one lot's bunch. True. This has been a very exciting Monday stream, I'll tell you that much so far. It's been insanely exciting stuff here. It's been hard to contain my excitement throughout this beautiful price action that we've experienced together. It's been lovely. Dude, at what point is Elon ever going to solve these friggin' bots on X? It's crazy. Every single post I make, it's like 100 bots. I've blocked, I don't know, like, can you see how many people you have on your block list? There's gotta be a way, right? Settings. Account information. How do I see my block list? Privacy, safety. Oh, mute and block. Okay, blocked accounts. It doesn't give me a number. It doesn't give me a number of people I blocked. But like, dude, I block like every single time I post. It's crazy because the bots, dude. These people are insane. Today is possible 10th straight green day, so basically expect price to close lower than Friday close. Maybe. We'll see. If there's some news that comes out, all of that data doesn't make any sense anymore. If it was that easy, we could all just write simple algorithms and go home for the day. Believe me. See Nick for a tick pop up on Ninja Trader. Do you still speak to him in the old crew? Yeah, I speak to everybody. Nick is a great dude. It's my guy right there. Use the iceberg indicator on Bookmap. I don't, but you can. It slows down things too much when the market's moving too quickly. You know what would make it exciting? A giveaway. I mean, I'm down to do that. We just need the likes. Right now we're struggling. We are only at 445 likes. Yeah, it's crazy. Every single time you make a post on X, it's like instantly just overridden by bots. I met a blogger on Twitter. With his recommendations and direct stock picking guidance, I followed his trading strategy. Made $73,000 in 1 month. It's like, it's insane. Like, how can they not figure out how to block this? Like, how does this actually get through the filter? It's the same post from every single person. It's the exact same post. Like, I don't get how they can, like, how do they get, this is so easy to fix. So stupid. They all post the exact same format, like, and it gets through every single time. It's so insane. No liking liquidity, I agree. We are 5 minutes now, 5 friggin' minutes until the open. Oh my goodness, can we actually get something to trade here? Would be lovely. Oh. Do the bots contribute to the income stream? Doubtful. Slows down too much even with the new computer. I haven't tried it with the new computer, but with how bad the 5090 drivers have been, I mean, I'm not. Bookmap's definitely faster, but I don't want to jinx it or do anything to mix it all up, you know? I don't mess anything up. All right, I'll be right back. 5 minutes, well, 4.5 minutes now till the market opens. Give me a second. And we are back. Amazing. Market's done nothing still. I know, it's incredible. Well, let's see what happens. We have 2 more minutes here until the market opens. Gun to my head, I'd say we're probably going to go lower, but with ISM coming out soon, you know, who knows? I do not execute from Bookmap. Never have. Maybe like way back a couple times, but not like I don't make oh, snap. No, we haven't earned it yet. Hold on. We haven't earned it yet. Sorry. We haven't earned that yet. Do you place trades on TradingView? I do. Yes. But on props, I trade on Tradeify. Canada's PMI is coming out right at the market open, but nobody cares about that. We're waiting for 9:45 and 10. 9:45, we get the global composite PMI final for April, and then at 10, we get the ISM services for April. All right, let's see what happens here off the open. 30 more seconds, everybody. 30 more seconds. See if there's anything worth trading here. Kind of a mixed picture in the Mag 7 here. Five seconds. Good luck, everybody. 5 seconds. A little bit of a spike up here. Can it actually clear out? Seeing some green across the board in the Mag 7. Question becomes is, can it hold that green push? Right now running the VWAP in the S&P's for Sheezies. What is happening in this market? S&P's are rejecting the VWAP. Looks like it kind of wants to go down, but there it is, shaking all about. Still rejecting the VWAP and the S&Ps here. Big spike in Nvidia. Kind of interesting. See if it breaks below these 10s here. Can it break 20,000? Survey says yes, it can. Temporarily? Drew some liquidity below there at 20,000. Coming right back up. Still a lot of strength in the Mag 7, surprisingly. Just wonder if before 9:45 that we can hold a break below 20,000. Because if we could, that would be strong for a downside push to maybe like 960 or so. But right now we're just pushing back up to VWAP and the S&Ps, and NASDAQs are pushing back to those 30s. So mixed picture here. Nvidia's still pushing up. Things are kind of holding. 2020 is sort of line in the sand here. Bids are showing up every single time we're dunking, so a little bit concerned there. See if we break below 20,000 and hold here. Still a mixed picture. Just holding here at 20,015. If these 30s break out, it would be strong to the north side, but I don't know if it'll actually hold that. Because the market still looks somewhat weak to me. Meta's threatening to break down. Microsoft's pushing up a little bit. So let's see what happens. S&P is still holding. Still looking weak. Somewhat soft. If it breaks below 20,000, it's going to roll hard, in my opinion. Big if, though. Makes you wonder if 20,000 is the actual line in the sand here. Still seeing kind of overhead supply when we're pushing up. S&Ps are threatening a VWAP break. NASDAQ has VWAP all the way up at 20,040. Still pushing up. Google's lighting up to the north side as well. Still just kind of holding. There we go. Some buyers waking up here. We're threatening that break of VWAP to the north side. So that's why we're seeing buyers waking up a little bit here. Still seeing it chunking up. A lot of bids showing up underneath still. Can we get to that 20,050 level? That's the previous monthly high. Right around that 20,050 there. Yep, there's that extension. Does it relax anything up here, or does it keep on pushing? S&Ps are breaking through. Seeing a little bit of relaxation here. But we want to see sellers if we want to see this come back down to 20,000. So seeing if they're stacking up any offers here above 20,050. If they are, I do like that short. Watching here on this pullback. Looking for any kind of selling to come alive below 20,020 here. Let's see. We had a dunk below those 30s, but a quick pop back up. So it is still holding this initial push up. Watching here on this exchange up towards 50. Still holding. I think it has room to run. If it holds this 50 push, it has a little bit of room to run, but I don't know how much. It's kind of getting soft here at these 50s. So watching here. Little softness. Google is super strong. Microsoft is pushing up. Meta has held the pullback. So barring any kind of negative news, I guess this thing could run probably another 50 points. See what happens. Watching on these pullbacks here. I get interested if this thing flushes below the 20s. Right now it's holding 40s. Some softness there at the 50s. See if we get back below this 30 pull. Just dancing around 40s now. Point of control just moved to 40s as well. Some sellers stepping in. Meta's pulling back a little bit. Below 20 sellers should get pretty violent, but we have to get below 20. Right now we're dancing between 30 and 40. Watching here at 20s. Do we get the violence that we're looking for? Sort of holding at these 20s now. I want to see extreme violence below these 20s. Watching here. Okay. That looks good. If you don't like extreme violence, you probably shouldn't be trading the NQ, in my opinion. Just my 2 cents. Softness at 50s brought us to that break of 20s, bringing us down to 20,000 evens now. We're currently up $26,000 in this trade. Whatever. I really hope one day I can figure out this trading thing. I hope one day it starts clicking for me. Because I tell you, it's just been so rough. I haven't been able to figure out this market for months now. Take off one more there. I think we'll get there one of these days, though. One of these days we'll get there, folks. I hope we get there one of these days. Next, Warren Buffett says, stay humble. I got a better idea. F you. F you. How about that? How's that for humble? Go and f yourself. Stay humble. Stay humble. F you. How's that for humble? Bend over, grab your ankles, and f yourself. How's that for humble? Wow, arrogant much? Hey, Bob Hall, f you too. All right, I'm just going to flatten that. All right, we made $25,885 in real money, no prop. Anybody else doing that out there in front of your face? I'm sure, listen, dude, there's probably a dude out there that's probably out there. He's trading paper. He's trading a fake account, not putting real money on the line. You can go watch him. Go watch those people. I'm sure they're going to teach you a lot about the markets. All right, so on that trade, we're looking for that softness up the 50s. Confirmation through the 20s. You can either jump in early, right? You jump in early, start layering into it, and we get that softness up at 50s. You can wait for softness at 50s. Get that break, confirmation through 20s, ride that down, and f***ing send it. There you go. Confirmation through 20s as that was somewhat the previous line in the sand. Correct. You've been watching this stream, haven't you? All right. I wonder if there's a follow-up trade. I'm going to wait for the data coming out here in 1 minute. I know. Only $25,885. I know. I know. It's devastating. Shine Bomb's talking. Shine Bomb's talking. Here, hold on. I wonder if I can do this. Let me see. Ding, ding. Oh, that's not working. 50.8 versus a 51.2. If you caught something similar to that trade, by the way, drop a W in chat. Because I'm seeing a lot of people in the MC Discord that caught it. Because they rock with me every single day. They know kind of like the subtle call out. How many people in YouTube chat caught that? Yeah. Nice work. And by the way, if you come here for signals, also go and yourself. Don't come here for signals. Come here to learn. If you're here for signals, I'll tell you what. Signals aren't going to get you to the point where you can crack the market open for $26,000 in a single trade. It ain't going to work like that. But if you spend enough time and you've been doing this for a long time, you'll get to that point, I think. I would think. Oh, we lost all the haters. Dang, we lost the 200 people that are praying that I lose. So we had 1,100 people in here, or 1,200 people. Now we have 1,000 people. It's a shame. It's a weird way to live your life. Wake up every single morning hoping that some random dude on YouTube loses trades. It's strange. Boo-doo-boo-boo-doo-boo. What I can't figure is out, like, how do I... Do-do-do. Let me see one thing here. There we go. And then we can do this. There you go. There we go. One trade, by the way. You know what? You could also do this too. Hold on. There we go. That better? That trade was $12,000 risk. That was where I had my stop at. $12,000. 25 contracts. 25. Yes, it's in rupees. All right, I'll stop being obnoxious. Sorry. All right, so the next piece of news that's actually going to move the market is coming out at 10 a.m. Hey, Rose, was this a full margin trade with proper risk management? Dude, no. I can take hundreds of... Well, actually, what can I take? I can take 200 contracts. Well, actually, I think they might have me limited at 100 contracts. But no, it's not full margin, dude. No. My account balance is actually... Well, it's 652,000, but I can trade... Well, no, that's actually right. So 652,000 is what's available to me in margin. That's my account balance, right? But I actually have another 15,000. So that's what, 667,000 in the account. On May 20th, it'll even up and I'll get this back. But this is my account balance in US dollars. That's the account size that I'm trading. So I can take a lot, you know? And like, if I'm risking, like it was like $12,000, $13,000 on that trade. I mean, that's pretty nominal risk. So it's $12,000 into 650,000. I mean, talk about 1.8% risk. Not that bad. Stop was up higher, like 73, I think. 63 or 73. Just above the whole number. So I was willing to take a little taster of heat. What fuels you more, the haters or Celsius? I don't know. I actually do enjoy when people are hating. It makes my day, actually. It's funny. It's pretty funny. What was I just gonna do? There's something oh yeah. I remember now. Hold on. Oh, hold on. Because we're still waiting here. What is the dang thing? Found it. Hold on. There we go. There we go. Now we've earned it. Do you smoke or vape? God, no. No way, dude. Clean, healthy living, baby. Ooh, my goodness. Look at that. So our stop being at like 63, we still wouldn't have even gotten tagged. Like, that just shows you, like, these sellers, something's happening here. I just don't believe these buyers right now. Side note, Rips, what's the coverage on that account? How much of that is guaranteed if FCM goes under? Dude, it's dormant. It's dormant. Dormant ain't going anywhere, buddy. Dormant's been around forever. My FCM is dormant, so I'm not worried about it at all. Took long and short on that move with the team. Glad you said that too, Rips. I don't believe the buyers, my man. See, yeah, it's just something's off with these buyers, dude. I'm telling you. Yeah, I know. I'm sure it's insured for something. I don't care though. Whatever. If it's gone, it's gone. Whatever. Life goes on. But you need to pick a good FCM if you're going to be trading, right? And that's why I partnered with EdgeClear and Dorman. Well, not partnered, but I chose them as my introducing broker to Dorman. EdgeClear is great. Now, should you go and start your own personal account? Probably not. Look at these sellers still in the mix. I should have taken a follow-up trade. Whatever. I should have taken another trade. Whatever. Make another 12,000. Whatever. I'm not gonna. I'm waiting for 10 a.m. It's too risky. Far too risky. So net profit on Friday, we made $12,950. EdgeClear has its own heat map. I think they have like Edge Pro X or something like that, but you have to clear, or you have to use Rhythmic as a connection. I use CQG as my connection. It is fast, dude. It's fast. I click the button, my order's executing. I see it on Bookmap instantly. The moment I click, I see it split right on Bookmap. Was down 500 rips, up 1,000 now. Look, took one short, one long. Nice work, buddy. Do you believe the markets work on an algo? Not one algo. They're all the markets. There's multiple algorithms that are in the market, but there's not one singular algorithm that's running the entire market. That's ridiculous. If you believe that, I'm sorry. It's ridiculous. I mean, I know some very large players in the space that use algorithmic trading. They give that algorithm marching orders, but they're not all on the same team. You know what I mean? Like, hedge funds are not all on the same team. Rips, is your CQG data feed for your Tradeify set up for a different platform? I use CQG with TradingView for my real my brokerage account, my personal brokerage account. Everyone's running algos, even retail. Sure, yeah. But it's not like there's like the idea that there's one singular algorithm that's moving the market around is just silly. That's ridiculous. Hold on, let's see if we can get some more Shayla up in here. Rips, any advice for dealing with intraday drawdown? I keep running up TPT, taking a payout, then blowing up. You just have to be very scalpy, I think, on a lot of those trades. The same thing with Apex. That's one of the things I love about Tradeify is once you get out of the buffer zone, it's like really great. I like them all. I mean, it's just, you just got to play by different rules on all of them. Like the way that I trade my personal account would work on Apex once it's out of the buffer. It works the same way I would trade in Tradeify. I mean, in my positions, it's like probably 60% of the time I'm taking a slight amount of heat in positions. 40% it's usually working like right away. I mean, probably lower, but it's pretty rare that you're going to put on a position that's going to work directly in your favor right away. And often, like, I like to scale into a position. There they are. This is the reason, by the way, for Shayla. It's ridiculous. All right, 5 minutes now until ISM is coming out. Expectations for that is 50.3. Business orders are expected to be up. New orders are expected to be down. Prices paid are expected to be down. Employment is expected to be down. So let's see if any of that changes. I run the Highlander algo. There can only be one. That's funny. What is this playlist, Senor Humble? Dude, you're still here. I can't believe it. I thought you were one of the ones that left. Thanks for sticking through my rant. It's fun. You have to take your profits early and often. I agree, 100%. It's just a different style of trading. Now, again, don't go starting your own personal account. Most of the people are going to start a personal account. They're going to lose it. The props are a great training tool to get you into the mindset of good risk management. And like if you're blowing, like you got to take shorter duration trades. You really do. Just texting about that, the meetup. They're thinking about pushing it back to Q1 or Q2 of 2026 because September might be a little bit too soon for people. So we could do a smaller event in September, but we'll see. We'll see. I know. We can still do the one in September. Don't worry. 3 steady months of props payouts before going live, and I would like to see 9 to 12 months of consistent profitability through props before you're even thinking about trading in a personal account. For real. Like, you need to do 9 to 12 months. Really. All right, let's see what happens with this print. And then we'll do a giveaway. As long as we have the likes. If you're enjoying the show, just like the video. If you're not enjoying the show, give it a thumbs down. Simple. What does that put us at on the month? I think we're at 65,000 now on the month. 3 trading days in. Good start to the month. That was actually a trade that worked out exactly how I wanted it to. You know what I mean? Like I talked about that trade when we were putting it on, like what we're looking for, softness at 50s, break of 20s down to 20,000, and we pulled it off at 20,000 pretty much the whole position. So that was like, you remember how on Friday I was like, dang, I really wish that would have given me the crack that I wanted. So we actually made like full price that we wanted to make on that trade. $1,000 a contract, just about. So not too shabs. Good trading this morning after my day job for the bit. All right, G-Lines, we'll see you next time, buddy. I do want to trade Tradeify at some point, but I think, I don't know if the market's going to give us that little scalp opportunity. These news killing me. I want to short this level so bad. Dude, I know the feels, man. It's crap. You know, I get it. News is out in 1 minute. 1 minute warning till the news now. This is going to be the highest impact news of the entire session. You can argue that, what is it, like a 3-month bill auction, but, or maybe it's a 3-year note. Let me see. 3-year note. Yeah, 3-year note. So this is going to be the most important news of the entire session. Outside of breaking news, okay? Planned news, this is the most important economic release. But I feel like it can probably do nothing as well, so. Order book is clearing out. Be careful if you're in a trade. I'm in nothing. I'm not going to trade this in my live account. I'm not going to trade this in my props. I'm just going to watch the price action with you. Hands free. I'm not trolling. I'm literally not trading my personal for the rest of the day. I don't care. 25K on a Monday is great. Or 26 almost. 26K on a Monday. It's a good rate, dude. It's a good rate. I'll take it. And we got, think about it. We got the exact trade. Like we were from the frickin' future. It was exactly what I called out. Exactly what I wanted. I'm not going to do better than that. Like that's exit stage left, bro. That's great. Holy. Came right to our magic green line. Okay, index is up. That was not expected. So index, services index above expectations. Prices paid way higher than expected. They were supposed to drop. New orders higher. I don't know how we're going up on this. You could argue this is setting up for a nice short, but I'm not touching this. The market should not go up on that print. It should not, but you can see this happen often where the market will stay irrational for much longer than we can take it. I would not want to be in a position right now short, I'll tell you that. But I still think that the market should be rolling from here. So, do you understand what I'm saying? I don't think it's a good idea to take this trade because it's too risky because the market is acting too irrationally based on the data. The data suggests that the market should roll on this, but we're still pushing up. Does that make sense? Yeah, I don't trust it. Ugh, this is grossing me out right now. This is grossing me up. Or grossing me up. Grossing me out. There should not be people buying this. It's crazy too with like Microsoft, Meta, Google, all very strong here, but they're all coming to these big inflection points where it could roll. So I'm not touching it. I'm staying out of this. All right, we got enough giveaways to do, or enough likes to do a giveaway, so let's do a giveaway. If the market rolls 100 points from here, I'm going to say I told you so. If it goes up, I'm going to pretend like I didn't say anything at all. Just like a real streamer. All right, let's do a giveaway. I'm just staying out of it. That's the easy answer. If I really trusted that I was right on my call, I'd be in a trade right now. I don't like this. I don't like this at all. Giveaway time. All right, Ripsmod, if you would please give us the links to click. Oh, I was like, wait, Ripsmod. Okay, all right, so go ahead and click the one that says TPT save. That's gonna load a page. See how at the top it says 30% off by using code RIPS? That's not a lie, by the way. You can get 30% off by using code RIPS. All right, scroll down on that page. If it pops up, it says allow cookies. If you click allow, it does help me out. If you don't want to help me out, that's fine. You can go f yourself. I don't care. But it does help me out if you click allow. I appreciate it. Do this show for free, so hey, throw me a bone. Scroll down. It says day one payouts in your blank account. You're going to type in that word. Day one payouts in your blank account. Okay. Type in that word one single time. Yep, you got it. You nailed it. Why would I want to help you out? Looks like you're doing just fine. That's a good argument, I guess. I don't know. Do the show for free. Not very many people are doing this and trading this kind of size with this size of account. I don't know. It's unique. I don't know. Do whatever you want. It's your world, baby. You do make a valid point, but some people like to help other people. I don't know. Here we go. All right, we got 218 people in. Now, to qualify for the giveaway, you have to be following me on Instagram. Follow me on X. Instagram, we are getting up there. We hit 14,000 followers a couple weeks ago, which is great. This is going to be for a free Apex account. Oh my gosh, look at that. I told you we're going down. Eh? Look at that. I told you. Who out there told you like Ripsy did, huh? I told you it was a short. Huh? I told you. I told you. I friggin' told you. Do you think I'm a pro? Type pro in the chat if you think I'm a pro. Ah, stop it. Stop it. You folks are too kind. You're too kind. All right. Ah, damn it. Now I want the friggin' trade. Market, why do you do this to me? I called it out perfectly. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little bit sad. That was a sick call out. God, dude, that's 60 points now. Oh. Hey, dude, seriously, drop a W in chat if you did catch that short. Seriously. Curious. Yeah. Ooh, yeah. Yeah. Okay. All right. You have to be following me on X or Instagram. Shane G, you're the first winner. Let me know what you want, and let me know what your username is so I can find you and send you the message. God, dude. I'm like, dude, it should not be going up here. This looks fake. Ooh, I like your name, NASDAQ Angler. What would you like? Free Apex account or free month of MC? It's your call, buddy. Oh, dude, I know you. MC, aren't you already in there? Are you not? No, I don't see you. Okay. I got you, baby. Ha ha. Ole. Dude, what a freaking short, huh? I love seeing that everybody else got it. That makes me happy. I'm not even kidding. Makes me happy. Shelela. All right, there you go. Congrats to Shane G. Next winner, Doug Catherine. Dude, if you didn't make money on that short, you're an insane person. What are you thinking? This is why, by the way, anybody who tells you like, oh, who cares what the news is in the market? Like, dude, if you pay attention to the macro, you can do this too, because then you'd be like, hey, ISM having these numbers should not make the market go up. And then you could short it like a genius and be like, you see that? And then somebody's gonna come along and be like, yeah, dude, you see, it was inverted turtle shell up into the Splinter McNelly sauce. Yeah. All right, Doug, what's it gonna be? You're still in this trade. All right, well, we can move on if you want. I mean, you've won the contest. Okay, but what's your username? I got you. What's your username on X or Instagram? I'm sorry that you're still in the trade. I'm sorry. I don't want to distract you. I love that you're still in the trade. He's like, hey, remember that short that you told nobody to take? I'm in this one, dude. All right, Doug, come on. I want to find you, buddy. I'm going to search for you myself. Doug Catherine. Wait, hold on. That person doesn't follow me on X. They don't follow anybody. Let me check on Instagram. Okay. That's got to be on Instagram, right? Well, that person doesn't follow anybody on Twitter, so I'm going to check on Instagram real quick. Lito, I haven't seen you in a while. Where you been, dog? Where the heck have you been, Lito? The heck, bro? Where you been, dog? Broke? Dude, this stream is free to watch, dog. All right, you do follow me. Nice. Hey, remember 3 months. Nice. God bless you, brother. All right, I'm going to send you a message here. You want a free month of MC? I got you, baby. I got you. Got you locked in. I got to make sure that this coupon still has usages is. All right, hold on 1 second. All right, next, runner. Ooh, I like that name. It's poker. Runner. Dude, you're always happy? I mean, how could I not be, bro? Life is swell. Get to hang on, talk a bunch of crap to people on my stream. Get like some fun trolls that I can make fun of. Like make $26,000 clicking a few buttons. Like if you don't think I'm blessed, I think you're crazy. I love life. How could I not? Like, what are you talking about? Like, how could I not be happy? Life is swell. You know what I mean? Runner. What's your username, my friend? And what would you like? Apex account? Any size? Ooh, dude, I love everything about you so far. Now here's where we what would you like? Free month of MC or Apex? This is where we really find out. Dude, I love your name though. Runner plus EV. Yeah, we got it. What do you want? Apex. Okay. My opinion may have changed. I got you though. Don't worry. I got you. All right. Congrats. 1 free Apex. There you go. Reroll. Sully. You're the next winner, buddy. Almost out. I know. It's almost my favorite person. This close. Right there. Sully, you got 45 seconds to claim, my friend. We're doing 1 minute to claim. You're welcome, by the way. Runner. 30 more seconds. Wait, what happened? Nothing. I sent you a DM on X. That's your coupon code. I just feel like there's a little, just slightly more value in the MC, but whatever, I'm biased. All right, Sully, coming into the reroll territory, and Justin Chavez. This is like where they bring it home. I'm gonna have these people come in like mariachi at my birthday party. I'm gonna have these people show up for the meetup. I'm literally gonna connect this band, and like they're gonna come to Vegas and perform for everybody. All right, 30 seconds. Appreciate you too, Stop Run City. My man. Apex, yeah, but I need to know your username. I'm happy to get you Apex, I just need your username. I'm gonna put you on the clock. Oh, there we go. That looks kind of Instagram-y, so I'm guessing it's Instagram. Yep, that's you. I found you. All right, I'm gonna send you a message right now. Oops. Congrats. 1 free Apex. Oh, we've talked before too. Look at that. By the way, folks, I'm not on Facebook. There's somebody pretending to be me on Facebook, and they're like talking how I talk, but they're like, reach out in the DMs. They're gonna scam you, dude. It's not me. As much as you want it to be me, it's not me. I'm not on Facebook. I'm never gonna be on Facebook. Sorry, but that's a scammer pretending to be Ripsy. All right, one more. Last winner is Tori Wells in the building. Hold on one second. All right, Tori, what is your username on X or on Instagram? And then let me know what you want. So we're not going golfing? Yeah, not me, dude. Ain't me, dude. Look here, dude. It ain't me, dude. All right, but I need the username. All right, I guess I'll play the guessing game and I'll search myself. Oh, there we go. T.S. And what do you want? What do you want? What would you like? Oh, dude, you play guitar. Sick. And you're a Jesus follower, my man. Apex, I got you. Congrats. 1 free Apex. And we've talked before, my man. My man. Congrats. I'll send you the coupon right now. All right, everybody. Those are all of our winners for the day. We do giveaways every single day in here, pretty much. But yeah, that's our day today. We made... There you go. Send you the coupon. What did we make today? We made a total of $25,000. Yeah, I guess I'll show you on the thing. People are gonna be like, that's fake. We made $25,000 in our real money account. You see? Edge clear, live, our real account. 652,000. Well, it's a little bit more than that, but we made $25,885 today. There you go. Happy about that. So that's our day, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you'll join me tomorrow when we'll be back again, trading these markets again, and hopefully making some more money. If you did enjoy the stream, make sure you leave a like on the way out. Make sure you're following me here on, make sure you subscribe to the stream on YouTube. Follow me on X, follow me on Instagram. Trying to get those numbers up. That's it. That's my day. Folks on Discord, don't go anywhere. We're gonna have a little wrap call and hang out. Folks on Discord, don't go anywhere. Folks on YouTube, folks on X. I'll see you tomorrow. We're gonna be back here 8 o'clock in the morning, Eastern time, 5 a.m. Pacific, 7 a.m. Central. I'll see you then. Take care. Bye-bye. 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 Bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye.